Hello, this is your weekly overview for week 9 of AP Environmental Science. It's the last week of the term. So let's go over what we'll be learning and what are the expectations for this week. As you guys know, we're continuing our discussion of populations. So we're still in Unit 3. Our topics for Monday, October 19th and Tuesday, October 20th are 3.5, population growth and resource availability, and 3.6, age structure diagrams. So let's take a look at each one of these topics. Here is the Nearpod presentation for our notes on topic 3.5, population growth and resource availability. One thing to note here is that within this Nearpod presentation, there is a website. It's going to take you to a website to complete an activity called African Lions, Modeling Populations. So just so you guys know, this is kind of a little bit of what the website looks like. This gives you an example of what you will see when you click on this link. So make sure you guys complete this activity and answer all the questions before moving on to the end of our Nearpod presentation. So make sure you go through all the steps. There'll be some graphs and some questions that you'll answer based on some information about these African lions. Our next lesson, our next topic is 3.6 age structure diagrams. So if you click on this link, again, we have an embedded Nearpod presentation that you guys are going to complete. The final step, the last thing you're going to do on this day is you're going to complete the population math assignment, which is a Google Doc that you will finish and upload to Canvas. So let's take a closer look at this population math assignment. Here's the link for finding the Google Doc and some instructions. So the first step is to make a copy of the Google Doc. I am going to ask that you show your work for each problem so that you set up the work and know how to solve these problems. And then I've also made a YouTube video showing a couple of examples. If you get stuck, there's some help here for the first page, population math number 1. For the third page, after you guys have answered the questions, you can go back to correct your answers by watching this YouTube video for population math number 3. Please be honest and do your work first. It's okay if you got something wrong and you need to fix something, but the only way that you will learn is if you try it first and then go back to correct your answers. So make sure you answer the questions in math number 3 first, and then go back and watch the video to correct your answers to see what it is you know and what it is you need some help reviewing. All right, so that is our weekly overview for this last week of the term. Again, there's only one assignment that you guys are going to be required to finish by Friday, but it is going on second term's grade. So make sure you guys complete that assignment and turn it in, even though it won't be graded until next term. And I hope you guys have a great week. Goodbye.